Hi friends, I am Biswajit. I am back with one more question again on the project management side this time. How you can become a software project manager? And this question has been asked several times to me and others, and we have discussed with so many people about it, and I have talked with so many seasoned project managers how we can move on from a technical role, from a BA's role, from basically architect role to project management. So why actually you need to move from all these role to project management is basically uh, to move on to the next level of your career. And in between there is one more role has been created now, that's scrum master. So either you can go to team lead and then become a scrum master to have the look and feel of a project manager and then move from there. Anyway, so basic thing is moving up the ladder, and some people also tell, oh, we don't want to move up, and we will be there in uh, technical roles and all. Fine, fine, but once you are having a technical role for quite a number of years, automatically you need to handle a team of architect or team of senior developers. So anyway, you need to learn this management principles to manage people under you. You cannot grow when you are not taking a vertical staircase. So answering to this question, how we can move from a technical role to management role, or from any kind of role to management role. So first thing what we should do is we should be aware of our principles of project management, how the project management will work, how we can manage a project, how we will conduct internal interviews to extract the important key informations, how you will plan the project, how you will use MPP, Microsoft Project Plan, or in case some people use Excel sheets. So, or how you will understand the contractual and managerial terms, like team building activity, like uh, time management, stakeholder management, monitoring the things, and delivering the things. So all this stuff we need to understand from the project management perspective, and knowing is implementing. So once you know, you can implement it. So you need to have a training workshop. You need to complete a workshop. You need to complete a training on project management. So familiarize yourself in project management. That is the first step to do. Then you should make yourself emotionally intelligent. Emotionally intelligent, what do you mean by that? You shouldn't be keeping in keeping in with the old yourself as a developer or as a worker. You should not be like that. You should be understanding the emotions of others, how to deal with them, use those emotions through a proper way, and manage the emotions of other people. So how to manage and all this stuff, you need to have a you need to come to my training sessions, where I can implement where I can guide you how to do the emotional intelligent segment, how to manage your emotional intelligence, and how to use your emotions towards the better goal of project delivery. uh, uh, we can talk one to one on that, or I can guide you if you want to move from a team lead to project management. What are the things you need to do? I will take a next session on that. So please do not forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe button, and please like the video. I would really appreciate that, and I will give some more information if you are doing so. You can come uh, uh, you can come and talk with me one to one also. If I see a very good comment, I might give you a call as well. So once you are done with this emotional So the third point is we need to work on our interpersonal skills and group skills. So how we are going to communicate when we are talking one to one, that that is a very very important skill where we should be able to manage the people, to understand from where they are coming, and do not do a micromanagement, but still we will be keeping an eye on the deliverables. We should know how to not instigate the people to a wrong side of the thing. So we should be able to talk with them properly and guide them to their best of abilities. That is what interpersonal communication. And group communication, when we are in group, we should act as a person who is guiding them, rather than a person who is not able to inform properly or something. So the communication part of interpersonal and group is very very important here. This dealings with the senior management also helps. How to convince them, how to convince your juniors, how to convince your seniors. So when you are talking about authority here, rather than authority, the convincing capacity, the way you make them feel when you are talking with them, that is really important. Whether it is a group of people, whether it is a one-to-one people, this is most important point. And then negotiation skills. So you need to improve your negotiation skills. You need to be um, um, uh, working on the deals, that small deals that work out. So I will give you one small example. If somebody comes to me, I want to go for a 2 weeks holiday. Okay, fine. If you want to take a 2 weeks holiday in between a major release, how you are going to support me? So that dealing, how you can work from home for a week, and then 1 week you can take the leave, and you can guide your colleague to deliver the 1 week you are missing. All this stuff, that is your negotiation skills will be at par when you are going to be a project manager. So negotiation skills, you need to read a lot, how to give the alternatives. You have been there as a lead, you have been there in the software industry for some time, so you know where is the stakeholders can go wrong, where you can handle it. So all this stuff you need to, and do not make them go to a hostile environment. You need to have a win-win solutions on your negotiation part. So that's one of the things. And then becoming a, a effective leader stands tall. So standing tall while motivating the team. So team should see you, oh boss, you need to see my manager when he is talking. So you need to showcase your talent and your effectiveness in different personal communication, group communication, team meetings, or when you are working with difficult people, you should put your foot down, boss, I want this from your side, and how you can manage, you tell me. So all this stuff is standing tall, and you are motivating the team, because the people who cannot come and tell you that I will not do the job, and they are toiling, they are working on those things, and some people are totally going out, and they are not coming to office on time, and kind of this breaks the team's motivation. This breaks the team's morality. So all this stuff you should be leading from the front, or standing tall and motivate your team. Then there is the last point, which is really really important, because you might not be knowing many things in project management, but you, if you have a good mentor, a wise mentor, so choose wisely. You choose your mentor wisely, and one of the mentor is myself. So you can come to me at any point of time. So this is what is very very important. So remember this, you should have a mentor, or you might. So what mentor will do for you? Mentor will give you the standards, how a project manager behaves, what a project manager does. Those standards will be set on the real time basis. And how he will do, he will teach you, he will guide you, he can be able to handhold you and set your goals, and he will inspire you. So this is one of the things. So what are the basic takeaways from here? Learn project management principles either from PMP or Prince 2, whichever you want to do, it's fine, but learn it, and I can help you in that. Be a natural listener to all scenarios, whether it is a conflict, whether it is a disagreement. So communication is important. So talk wisely when alone, and calculatively talking is important when in a group. Then scenarios might have n number of options. Explore to your project's advantage. So all the scenarios, whatever scenarios you are facing today, that might have been faced by another project manager. So talk with them. They might be having some options for you. They might be having a trick on in their pocket. So talk with your peers. Talk with your guides, mentors, and um, do the work. And be very very proactive. Don't miss any timeline, don't miss any person, don't miss any deliverables. Be very proactive. Even if you are missing it, you go and tell the management that, boss, we are going to miss this, but still I am very very proactive, I am working on that, I might be able to make it on time, but if not, then I am telling you upfront. That helps a lot. And like I told you, identify a very good mentor and work with him, work with her or him. And I am also there. You can directly put the comment section. If you want to talk with me, I will give you a call if required, and I will connect with you in different social networks and help you out. So thank you for listening. Please, if you have not praised my subscribe button, please do so. Thank you. Have a nice day.